dear students, today it is class 9th math, and we have been discussing this linear equation in two variables and taking a graph. Now some questions of this exercise. Up to question number 6 we have already attempted. Now question number 7 is, Yamini and Fatima, two students of 9th class of a school, together contributed ₹100 towards Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write the linear equation which satisfies the data. You may also take the contribution as x and y and draw the graph of the same. So Yamini and Fatima are two students of class 9th and they contribute ₹100, both of them. Let this Yamini's contribution is equivalent to ₹X and Fatima's contribution towards Prime Minister's Relief Fund is equivalent to ₹Y. But both these students contribute ₹100. We let the Yamini's contribution is ₹X and Fatima's contribution is equal to ₹Y. So these two students, that is X plus Y, is equal to 100. This is the linear equation for these two students, Yamini and Fatima, who contributed ₹100 towards PM's Relief Fund. Now we have to draw the graph of this equation. So here we go. This is X is equivalent to 100 minus 20. Sorry, minus X, not 20. This is 100 minus X. Now suppose X is equivalent to, suppose 50. If what is X? X is the Yamini's contribution. If Yamini's contribution is ₹50, what will be the, sorry, this is minus Y, sorry, this is minus Y. Now putting Y is equal to 50. Now X is equal to 100 minus 50, that is 50. So if Fatima's contribution is 50, obviously Yamini's contribution is also 50. So this is 50 and 50. And put Y is equivalent to, yes, you can give any value. Suppose 20. Obviously this is X is equal to 100. We are putting the value here in this equation. 100 minus 20, that is 80. So when it is 80 and 20, put Y is equal to, suppose 40. What is X? X is equal to 100 minus 40, it is 60. So it will be 60, 40. Now you can take the graph. X plus Y is equal to this X axis and this is Y axis, and here it is 0, X 0, Y 0. Suppose let's make these divisions. This is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60, this is 70, this is 80, so on. This is again 10, this is 20, 30, 40, this is 50, this is 60, this is 70, this is 80, this is 90, and this is 100. Now our first point is 50, 50. Now 50 is here, and when X is 50, it is here 50, and Y is also 50. So this is the point, X 50 and Y 50. So this is first point. Then it is 80, 20. This is our 80 and 20. 20 is here, and this 80, 20. Then it is 60. Sorry, it's 60 here. 60 and 40. 60, 40 is here. 60 and 40. So when you join, you will always get a straight line. It's the graph. The graph of the equation X plus Y is equal to 100. So this was Question number 7th. Yamini contribution, we put it is equal to rupees X, and Fatima's contribution towards Prime Minister's fund, let it be rupees Y. Then obviously X plus Y, both these students contribute rupees 100. That is X plus Y is equal to 100. So we can write here, we can take the graph, X is equal to 100, Y shift this to right hand side, it is 100 minus Y. Now whatever value you will give to Y, you will get the corresponding value for X, we know it. So we put here Y is equal to 50, obviously X is 100 minus 50, that is again 50. So first ordered pair is 50, 50. Then we put Y is equal to 20, whatever you like, it's not necessary that you will put it 20. You can give any other value. So I put here, let Y is equal to 20. So X is equal to 100 minus 20, it is obviously 80. So when we form the ordered pair, we write the value of X first. So it is 80, 20. Similarly, Y is equal to 40, put Y is equal to 40, and X came equal to 100 minus 40, that is 60. And we take the graph like this. So this was question number 7. Now the question number last, that's question number 8. In the countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. Yes, let us find the equation, write down the equation. Now this last question is important question. Our equation is Fahrenheit is equivalent, F is equivalent 9 by 5 into C plus 32. This is our equation. When Fahrenheit is equal to what? Centigrade. And we have to draw the graph of the linear equation and using certain Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. Now you can give any value. So first part is we have to take the graph. Now let C is equivalent, if this is 5, so F is equivalent to 9 divided by 5 into C. C is again 5 plus 32. 5 and 5 cancel, we are left with 9 plus 32. This is 41. So F is 41 when, so 41 and 5. This is the first value. So if we give 0, let C be 0, put C is equal to 0. So F is equivalent to 9 by 5. 9 by 5 into C. C is 0 plus 32. So this is 0 plus 32, that is 32. So it is like this. It is 0, 32. Sorry, it is 5. Let us write down first 5 and this 41. Similarly, put C is equal to, let us put here minus 15 or 20. So what is F? F is equivalent 9 divided by 5 into minus 15 plus 32. 5 1s are 5 3s are 9, 9 3s are minus 27 plus 32. This is 5. So C is minus 15 and when Fahrenheit is 5. Similarly, you can write down any values. Let C is equal to minus 40. What is F? F is equal to 9 by 5 into minus 40 plus 32. 5 1s are 5 8s are. So 8 9s are 9 8s are minus 72 plus 32. This again minus 40. So minus 40 and minus 40. When you give the value C minus 40, Fahrenheit is also minus 40. So this is the value where both this centigrade or a Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures are same. That is minus 40. Now you can take the graph. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Fahrenheit is y-axis. And this is suppose 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60, this is 70, and this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60, 70, 80, so on. and minus 10, this is minus 20, this is minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60. Similarly here, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, this is minus 40, this is minus 50, this is minus 60, so on, and here it is 0. Now let us look at these points. This is 5 and 41. 5 is here and 41 is this is the point. 5 and 41, 5 and 41. And then 0, 32. 0 is here and 32 is here, obviously. This is 0, 32. Let's make them bold. So 0, 32. Then minus 15, 5. Minus 15 is somewhere here. And minus 15 and plus 5 is here. So this is the point. Minus 15 and 5. Then minus 40, minus 40. Minus 40 is here and minus 40 is here. This is the point. And you can join these points. You will always get a straight line. Sorry. You will always get a straight line. This is minus 40 and 40. So this was the equation of the graph. F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So this is the graph. You will always get a straight line for this. Now second part of this, if temperature is 32, what is the Fahrenheit? Now putting the C is equal to 32. What is the Fahrenheit? Let us calculate. This was the graph. Now, if temperature is equal to 30, what is the Fahrenheit? So F is equivalent to 9 by 5 into C is 30 plus 32. 5 6 are 30. So 9 6 are 54 plus 32. This is 86. So F will be 86. So this was second part. First part was to draw the graph. Now second part was when C is equal to 30. When we put the value of C is equal to 30, F came equal to 86. So now third part is if the temperature is 95 Fahrenheit. Now F is 95. So this is 95 is equivalent. What is the Celsius? So this is 9 by 5 C plus 32. So we can write here 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. So this is 363. Yes, is equivalent to 9 by 5 C by cross. This is 9 C is equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 31. And what is C? C is 315 divided by 9. 315 divided by 9. So this is 9 3s are 27. 9 5s are. So C is equal to 35 degree. So when F is equal to 95, F is equal to 95, C came equal to be 35. So this was part number 3rd. Now part number 4th is if the temperature is 0, what is the Fahrenheit? If the temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So when we give 0, we have already calculated in the graph. So F will be equal to 9 by 5 into C. C is 0 plus 32. So F is equal to 0 plus 32. That is 32. So F is equal to 32 when temperature in centigrade is 0. F is 32. Now the last part is 5th part. If there is a temperature which is numerically the same, and we found that is minus 40. In graphs we found that what is the value which is same for temperature and this Fahrenheit? That was 40. When C is equal to minus 40. So F came also equal to minus 40. Let us check. So F is equal to, we check again, 9 by 5 into minus 40 plus 32. 5 8s are, this is minus 72 plus 32. So this is minus 42, minus 40. So this C, when C is minus 40, F is also minus 40. So these are numerically same. When this minus 40. When C is minus 40, F is also minus 40. So this was the value which was numerically same for centigrade as well as for the Fahrenheit. With this we complete this exercise. Tomorrow we shall take up another exercise of linear equation, probably the last. Then we shall move ahead for next chapter inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.